Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pickled daikon and carrots for Banh Mi. First, you'll need 1 cup each of julienne, daikon, radish, and carrots. Aim for pieces about 2 to 3 inches long and 1/8 inch thick. This uniform cut ensures even pickling and a delightful crunch in every bite. Having your vegetables prepped and ready is the first crucial step to delicious Banh Mi pickles. Now, let's create the perfect pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with 1 cup of white vinegar. Next, stir in 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of salt. Gently heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until both the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Do not boil, just warm it enough to dissolve the solids. Once your brine is ready, carefully pack your julienne, daikon, and carrots into a clean, heat-safe jar. Make sure the vegetables are snugly fit but not overly compressed. Then, pour the warm brine over the vegetables, ensuring they are fully submerged. Let it cool to room temperature, then seal the jar and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. For best flavor, chill for several hours. Your delicious pickled daikon and carrots are now ready to elevate your Banh Mi or any dish. Store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh and crisp for up to 2 weeks. They're fantastic in sandwiches, as a bright addition to salads, or simply enjoyed as a tangy side dish. For more great kitchen tips and deals, check the description below. Also, if you're looking for a fantastic way to stay hydrated, you'll find a link to the Oala water bottle there too.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.